Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. We are going to do today is very important MCQ, which will be a very important for the exam point of view, and it will be important for this competitive exam. Let's see what is our topic today. Today we discussion most important chapter here, a real number, class 10 CBSE NCERT mathematics here. You know that is the most important MCQ here. The MCQ arrive here. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 5, both inclusive is. You know that this question is most important for the exam view here. Question clear? The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 5, both inclusive is A5, B60, C20, D100. Come on, test your knowledge first of all. I give you few seconds for you this solution this question. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question. You know that this question is clear. The least number that is divisible by all the number from 1 to 5, both inclusive is. That's clear. You know that solution is clear here. First of all, 1 to 5, take a LCM. Take a LCM means is 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, and 4 is equal to 2 into 2, and 5 is equal to 5. There's 1 to 5. You know that the LCM is coming here. 4 is a 2 time here. It means is 2 into 2, and 3 is 1 time. So 3 and 5 is also 1 time. Or 1 is not available here. So it means to calculate this, 2 into 2 into 3 and 5 is equal to 60. It means to the B is correct answer here. The least number that is divided by the numbers from 1 to 5, there is answer is a B here. That's important here. And let's see next question. The question arrive here. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 8, both increase. That's important here. The option 840, B 200, 2520, C 8, and D 420. That's important here. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Calculate the notebook here. That's important. You know that is same question 1 to 8, and that is a 1 to 5. The 1 to 8 has included here. That's important. That's important. The LCM is taken here. 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, 4 is equal to 2 into 2, 5 is equal to 5, and 6 is equal to 2 into 3, and 7 is equal to 7 only, and 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. It means the LCM is taken here. 2 power 3, 3 1, and 5 1 power, and 7 1, and calculate the both here. 2 into 2 into 2, and into 3 into 5 into 7. The coming here 840. That's important. And also show your screen this question's solution here. That's important. The answer is here option A. Option A is correct. 840. 840. That's important here. You know that's important for the exam view here. Let's see next question. The next question here, for a sum integer p, every odd integer is of the form. You know that the question is clear and directly. For a sum integer p, every odd integer is all of the form. The option here 2p plus 1, b 2b, and c p plus 1, d is p. That's important here. You know that. First of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Question directly and importance also here for the MCQ regarding. For a sum integer p, every odd integer is of the form of. Question is clear. The p is nothing is odd integer here, and c p plus 1 nothing, and b 2p is never, but a 2p plus 1, that's important answer. That's important. For a sum integer p is every odd integer is form of 2p plus 1. That is the correct answer. Let's see next question. The next question that's important here. A question is clear. M square minus 1 is divisible by 8 if m is a an even integer, b an odd integer, c a natural number, d a whole number. That's a direct clear answer, you know that. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Write the answer for your notebook. And let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question is clear. M square minus 1 is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. If m is, that's m is. M is. That's important. Uneven integer is not applicable. That's answer. The a is nothing here. A whole numbers not applicable. And C, you thought a C answer, a natural number, that's wrong. Because 1 is plus. 1 plus mean there is a answer is a B on odd number. The odd integer is that's important answer is the answer is a B is correct here. M square minus 1 is divisible by 8 if m is on odd integer. Odd. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question arrive here, that is important. The question here, if the two positive integers a and b can be expressed as the a is equal to xy3 and b is the x4y2z. xy beginning prime number, the LCM AB is. The question is clear here. The option A y2, B x4 y2 z, and C x4 y3 and D x4 y3 z. That's important here. You know that. Come on, test your knowledge. First of all, I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. What is the answer for this question here? You know that this question is clear here. Question is clear because a is equal to x and y power 3 and b is equal to here x4 and y2 and z. Okay. The LCM means lowest common factor. Lower common factor mean the take the a is a y3 is a lower common factor here, and b here x4 and z. It means a is option is totally wrong here. That's not applicable this answer. B x4 y2 z, that's not applicable because y is here 3 not a 2. Okay, and C x4 y3 is nothing applicable but because the z is not present here. This is lower common factor here. You know that lower common factor is a prime number here. The D is here right answer because x4 y3 z, that is a correct answer. Correct answer is a D. That's important here. And let's see next question. The next question that's important and question here, the product of non-zero rational and irrational number is. Question is clear. The product of a non-zero rational and irrational number is A. Always or rationals, B. Rational or irrational, C. Away or irrational, and D. Zero. That's important MCQ here. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for thought of this answer. You know that you have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The question is clear. That's important. Question is clear. The product of non-zero, the product of a non-zero rational and irrational number is. You thought away or rational number. That is a wrong answer. That is wrong. Rational or irrational number thought you. That's also is a wrong. The answer is a C is correct here. Away irrational number. Away is irrational. The product of the non-zero rational and irrational number is away irrational. Let's see next question. The next question is important. If the two positive integers a and b can be expressed as a x, y3 and b is here x4, y2 power and z, xy beginning prime number, then SCFAB is. You know that question is clear, but you confuse the same question arrive here. That's not a same question. The question is same, but asking here HCF, highest common factor, but other question is a lower common factor. That's an important understanding here. You know that is the option here x y square, b x4 y2 z, c x4 y3 and d x4 y3 z. You know that d is a totally eliminated because the D is the option of a LCM but not a SCF. It means to D is a eliminate here. There is only is a four options here. Four option only. There are three options here. Remind that's important. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you for solution these questions. Okay. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question you understand. The two positive integers a and b can be expressed as a x y3 and b is x power 4 y power 2 z and x is begin to the prime number, then SCFAB. This is important because you know that you analyze as a question here. A here x only one time and y three time. It means to the b is x is a four time, but highest common factor it means to x taken to the one time only. It means option 3 a b c the only there is a x one times only, and y are taking the b option c u. There is a b integer is a x4 y2, but y here 3. Y here is 3 and b here y is a 2. It means the highest common factor is a y2. It means to the option A is correct. Option A is correct. That's important here. You know that you understand A is correct answer, x and y2. That's the correct answer. Let's see next question here. The next question there is important and question here. If the SCF of 408 and 1032 is expressed in the form of 1032 into 2 plus 408 into P, then the value of P is. That's important question for the exam view. Examiner many times ask for this type of question. Is not here. But first of all, check your knowledge. I given here four option A5, B minus 5, C4, D minus 4. That's important. You know that you have a thought of your answer. Let us see what is the answer for this question. You know that's important. Take a notebook first of all and note this question. First of all, you have taken for the is a LCM for the 408. First of all, LCM is a 408. The LCM is coming here 2 into 2, 3 into 2 into 17. You know that 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 17 is a 408 is a LCM. Okay, factorize here, and next factorize here 1032. 1032 is a factor here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 43 is the last here. You know that, understand? And the LCM is coming here, LCF is coming here 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24, is equal to 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, it means 24. 24, that's important. You know that apply for this question easily. Is a 24 is equal to 1032 into 2 plus 408p. You know that, that's important. And here is important also the remainder part here. The SCF is the remainder part is only 1, means 24 is equal to 1 is here, and 1032 is the remainder part is here 43 into 2. Okay, 43 into 2, there is a remainder. And the next is a 408.
This topic was till this.
The 408
we will
is
do
reminder only
the next
17.
topic in the next
8
part.
17
If you
okay.
like it, then
17
please like, share,
and
subscribe and share the video as
43 into 2
much as possible. Do not think, subscribe
86.
and save in your
That's
mobile.
important,
Thank you.
Okay. The 70p is equal. 70p is equal. It means to the 86 upon 17. There is a cut for this question. The answer is coming here minus 5. That's important. It means to the option B is correct here. But I saw on your screen there is a solution. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question arrive here. That's important. The question here. The number is a form of 4p plus 3, where a p is a whole number. Will away be? The option A even, option B odd, option C even or odd, and D multiple of 3. That's important. But first of all, check your knowledge for the MCQ. Come on, I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Know that the question is clear. The number is the form of 4p plus 3, where is a p is a whole number, will away be. That is important. Even, odd, even or odd, d multiply by 3. That's important. The options is correct here. The option is correct is odd. Because 4p plus 3, the p is the whole number, will be a baby. A baby, there is the option B, odd number. The option goes way to the odd. Option B is correct here. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here, when a number is divided by 7, it is a remainder is away. When a number is divided by the 7, its remainder is away. That is a clear cut answer here. A greater than 7, B at the least 7, C less than 7, D at most of 7. The question, understand? The question is clear here. That's important. But first of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for thought of this answer. Calculate answer. What is the option is correct here? You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. When a number is divisible by 7, its remainder is away. Greater than 7. Greater than 7 is not applicable there. At least 7. That is the wrong answer. And C less than 7. That is the correct answer. The answer is a C less than 7. That's important. The less than 7 is correct answer. The next question arrive here, that's important. And question here, 6 plus 5 under root 3 minus 4 minus 3 under 3 is. The question is very clear. You know that option is a rational number, the B on irrational number, C on natural number, D on integer. That's important here. The question is clear here. 6 plus 5 under 3 minus 4 minus 3 under root 3 is. You know that. Take your notebook and calculate here. The easy calculation here, that's the minus means there is a 4. The simplifies a 4 plus 5 under 3 minus 4 plus 3 under 3. That's important here. The minus, you know that I take a minus 6 and 4, there is coming to 2 only. And 5 under 3 and plus 3 under root 3, it means to the 8. The answer is coming 2 plus 8 under root 3. The 2 plus 8 under root 3, that is a irrational number. It means your option B is correct here. Option B is correct on irrational number. That's important here. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, that's important. The question here, if SCF is a 16 y and is equal to 8 and LCM is a 16 y is equal to 48, then the value of y is. That's important question for the exam view here. You know that the solution is very clear. Solution is very clear. 6 and y, there's a common here, both SCF and LCM. But here, the value of SCF and LCM is different. It means 16 plus y is equal to 4 into 18. That is wrong, but 16 into y is equal to 48 into 8. You know that. That is the right. 16 into y is equal to 8 into 48. And y is equal to 8 into 48 upon 16. You cut down, the answer is coming here. That's important. Show on your screen. The answer is here 24. That's important here. Next here, let's see. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here, the product of irrational number is here. The product of rational and irrational number is A, rational number, B, irrational number, C, both of above, and D, none of the above. That is an important question for the exam view here. First of all, check your knowledge. You must select option. This answer is correct here. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question is clear here. The product of rational and irrational number is A, rational, B, irrational, C, both above, and D, none of above. That's important. But the answer is a clear cut here. The production of rational irrational number is irrational number. The option is a B is here correct. The B, irrational number, that is the correct answer for this question here. Let's see next question. The next question arrive here, that's important. And question here, the sum of a rational and irrational number is A, rational, B, irrational, C, both of above, and D, none of the above. That's important here. But first of all, check your knowledge. That's important. And I give you a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question here. Question understand? What is the question? The sum of a rational and irrational number is a rational number, B, rational number, C, both of above, D is none of the above. That's important. The option is correct here. Irrational number. That's important. The B, irrational number. That's important here. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here, the product of two different irrational number is away. The product of two different irrational number is away. A rational, B irrational, C both of above, and B none of the above. The question understand? The product of two different irrational number is away. Come on, test your knowledge first of all. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question is clear. The product of two different irrational number is away. Two difference. It means to the answer here B irrational number. On irrational number is here B option is correct here. The next question arrive here, that's important. And question here, the sum of two irrational number is away. Question is very similarity. Question is away is a very similarity. The sum of two irrational number is away. Option A irrational, B rational, C rational, or irrational, D 1. That's important. What answer here? First of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question is clear. The sum of the two irrational number is away. Option A rational number, B rational number, C rational, irrational number, both, D 1. You know that the answer is clear here. Answer is clear. The sum of two irrational number is away is a irrational number. It means option A is correct. Option A is correct. Irrational number. Let's see next question here. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here, if B is equal to 3, then any integers can be expressed as equal A 3Q and 3B plus 1 and 3Q plus 2. And B here 3Q, C none of the above, and D 3Q plus 1. That's important question. The answer is important also. But first of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The question is clear. Question is clear. If B is equal to 3, then any integers can be expressed as a 3. That's important. You know that the option 3 is here 3Q plus 1. Option D is his present option A. And B is 3Qs also present is A. And none of the above is a possible is nothing here. It means the option A is correct. 3 is B is equal to 3 integers can be 3Q and 3Q plus 1 and 3Q plus 2. That is correct answer. The correct answer is A is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. The question is clear. The product of three consecutive positive integers is divisible by. The question understand? The product of three consecutive positive integers is divisible by 4. The option A 4, option B 6, option C non-common factor, and option D is only 1. That's important, but first of all, check your knowledge and take a notebook and solution this question here. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question understand? The product of three consecutive positive integers is divisible by A 4, B 6, C non-common factor, D only 1. That's important. The answer is here B6. B6 is a correct answer for this question. Is option B6. Let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, that's the question is important. And question here, the set A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Represent the set of A, whole numbers, B, integer, C, natural number, D, even number. Question is clear. Question is clear. Set A 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But first of all, check your IQ level and choose the option is correct here and not your notebook. Come on. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear here. The set A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and more. Represent the set of the whole number, integer, C, natural number, D, even number. That's important. But answer is here. There is a whole number. The answer is here whole number. The option A is correct here. Let's see next question here. On your screen, the question arrive here. That's important. A question here, which number is divisible by 11? That's a clear answer here. Which number is divisible by 11? Come on, check your knowledge and open your textbook and solution this question. That's an important and easy question. Which number is divisible by 11? Option 2 option divisible here. The option A is 1516, B is 1452, and C 1011, and D 1121. That's important option here. Your answer is here. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Which number is divisible by 11? That is the important here. The answer, come on, is come your answer. The answer is B, 1432. That's important. Divisible by, there is a divisible u. That's easily 11. There's a is coming 35. 35 is 3, 35, and there is a 33 is here, and 33 is a minus 5 is a 2, and that's a 22. It means 1, 1, 3, 2 is answer. It means to the B option is correct here. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, that's important. The question here, LCM of the given number x and y, where y is a multiple of x, is given by. Question is clear. LCM of the given number x and y, where y is the multiple of x, is given by. Option here x, option B y, option C x y, and option D x upon y. That's important options on your screen. But first of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Question understand? Question is clear. LCM of the given number x and y, where y is the multiple of x, is given by. That's important. The options here important is answer is B, y. The multiple of is x is given by y. Option B is correct. Option B here is correct. Let's see next question here. You know that on your screen there is a most important question arrive here, but I confuse you. That's it's a very big question, but there is answer is very
This
easy.
topic was
The
till
question
this.
here,
We
there is
will
a
be
circular
do
path
there are next
around
topic in the
sport
next
field.
part.
If
If
it
you
takes
like
18
it, then
minutes to
please
drive one
like,
round of the
share,
field.
subscribe, and share the
And
video
Harish
as
take
a much
12 minutes.
as a possible.
Suppose
Do not
they
think
both start at the
subscribe
same
and save in
point
your
at the
mobile.
same
Thank you.
time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will be their meet? The question is clear. Question is clear. Option A 36 minute, option B 18 minute, option C 6 minute, D they will be not be meet. That's important. But first of all, you take a pen and pencil and solution this question here. Question is very easy. You know that I give you a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question here. You know that the question is clear here. Priya take a 18 minutes drive to round of field and Harish take a 12 minute. It means the take of LCM. There is LCM means lowest common factor. 18 here factorize the come to the 3 into 3 into 2. 3 into 3 into 2. And 12 is here factorize 2 into 2 into 3. It means lowest common factor here. LCM is here 3 into 3, and there is a text of 12 is 2 into 2. It means 9 into 4. It means 36 is correct answer. You know that is option is correct. A 36 minute. The same direction after there is a minute will be meet. After the 36 minute, there will be meet to each other. That is an important question and intelligent answer. You know that the next question arrive here, that's important. And question is clear here. Express 98 as a product of its primes. That's important. Express 98 as a product of its prime. The option is 2 power 2, there is into 7, B is 2 power 2 into 7, 2, and C is 2 into 7 power 2, D is 23 into 7. That's important, but you calculate also is important. On your notebook, I give you a few seconds for you solution this question. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear here. Express 98 as a product of its prime number. It means 98 has calculation here. 98 calculation here, 2 is here, is a 4 and 9. It means to 7 into 7. It means to the 2 into 7 into 7. It means to option is here C. Option C is correct here. Option C is correct. 2 into 7 power 2. That is the correct answer. Let's see next question here. The next question arrive here, that's important. And question here, for a sum integer p, every even integer is of the form of A 2p plus 1, B 2p, C 2 is a p plus 1, and D p. That is an important question for the exam view here. But come on, test your first of all knowledge you. I give you few seconds for you. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question is clear. For some integer p, every even integer is of the form of there is a form of 2p. The form of 2p. It means to the option is B correct. The 2p form a sum integer p. Every event is so if the form of 2p is only here. That is the correct answer. B option is correct here. Let's see next question here. And the last. You know that the question is the last arrive on your screen. That's important. And question is clear. The product of two consecutive natural number is away. Question is clear here. The product of two consecutive natural number is away. A prime number, B even number, C odd number, D even or odd number. That's important option. But come on, test your knowledge. First of all, I give you few seconds. Take your notebook and give the answer for this question. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question understand you? The product of two consecutive natural number is away. The product of two consecutive natural number is away. A prime number, B even number, C odd number, D even or odd number. That's important. But option is correct is a B, away even number. It means to B option is correct. B even number. That's important for the exam view here.
This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as a much as a possible. Do not think subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.